What is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back with another video. And today I am going to be doing the iOS 13.3 software update. And yeah, guys, this update comes about 3 to 4 weeks after the iOS 13.2.3 software update. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, guys, so today I'm just going to be doing a brief overview of what all this software update brings and also showing you how to install the software update. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and go to your settings, which looks like this. And you're going to scroll down to General and select. Okay, guys, and then you go to Software Update. And let's see, it's checking for update. All right, iOS 13.3. Okay, so just real quickly, this update, it comes with changes to stocks, to your screen time, as well as Apple News. And there are various other changes as well, I guess bug fixes and improvements. Not sure exactly what, but we're going to go ahead and get into it. Right here, all you have to do to learn more about this update is just select this right here. And sweet baby Jesus, oh my goodness. As you guys can see, this is a hefty one. Oh my goodness, this is a big software update. Wow. Okay, so this is a lot of stuff. Let me go back real quick. And it's showing that this is 633.9 megabytes. Oh my gosh. This is going to take forever, guys, but I'm just going to go through this and read this briefly. You can skip ahead if you don't want to, hear this part, but I'm going to just go through it. So, screen time. New parental controls provide more communication limits over who their children can call, FaceTime, or message. Contact list for children lets parents manage the contacts that appear on their children's devices. So this is a really good update, guys, especially for all of you who have children. It's a lot of fishy stuff going on out here in the world at this present time. A lot of crazy people. So you want to know what your kids are doing. This will be a great update for you. Also, Apple News is being changed. New layout for Apple News Plus. Stories from the Wall Street Journal and other leading newspapers. Easily like or dislike stories with a tap. Okay, and for stocks, stories from Apple News are now available in Canada in English and French. Continue reading with links to related stories or more stories from the same publication. Breaking and developing labels for top stories. Okay, so it says this update also includes bug fixes and other improvements, and it just gives a brief description right here, just a list of different things. If you want to know more about these, I'm not going to read them all just to save time, but you can go to the Learn More tab under the software update, and you can click on that and learn more. Or you can just pause the video right here and read it for yourself. But yeah, guys, let's go ahead and get back. And we're going to go ahead and download and install. So I'm going to make sure my Wi-Fi is on first. And my phone is charged at least 50%. As you can see, it's 57. And let's tap on the Wi-Fi. Okay, so let's go ahead and download and install. Put in my passcode. And now it's going to begin downloading. And then once that's finished, it's going to prepare it. And then it's going to install. So this may take a while, but I'll let you guys know once it's finished. So it finally started installing, and as you can see, it has a long way to go. 600 megabytes is no joke, so I'm just going to wait for this to finish. And yeah, bear with me, guys. We're almost there. It has finished. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 13.3. Yes, okay, so that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. On the road to 1,000 subscribers. Going to be doing a major giveaway once I hit 1,000. Giving away 4 gift cards, so you don't want to miss out on that. Make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.